In this video I'm going to show you how to add a date and time field into Google Forms. So what we want to do, we want to open a new Google form, and after that you can click on this plus sign, add a question. Now what we need to do next is basically say something like, which date are you available? The next option is to select a date, and you can find the date option in this list. So open the list and then click on date over here. Now people have to enter a date over here when they are available. So make sure this is required and they have to answer this question. The next option is of course add a time field. Now what we want to do is add another question, and then you can just copy this title, the first one, and paste it over here. Then change the date to time. And now you will see that there is another option, multiple choice grid. What we will do, we will select this menu again and then go to time. And now you can add a time into the answers. And people have to enter the time which they are available at. So now you can select required, and after that you can publish the form. And people must answer these questions with a date and a time into your Google form. And this is how you add time and date fields in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Google Forms tutorial. Cheers guys!